tell you that I had work done. I have not had any work done. This is one of my secret weapons, and it's the Sci Contour Cupping Device. And I like to put a nice castor oil on my face, something for some nice slippage and morning routine, and sometimes my night routine. This is that secret weapon, and it comes all with the devices that you see here, the tweezers, the glass suction tubes, manuals, and of course this great device that creates the suction force. It has 12 different levels. What you can see I'm doing here is it comes with these little foam inserts that you put it in, and that's to catch any of the oil that I put on my face. You want to, of course, wash these out with some soapy water after you finish using to keep it nice and clean. Make sure that none of the oils that you use get up inside the machine. It's so compact and it's so easy to use. It's right on the counter and very easy controls. It has 12 different levels, so no worry about bruising from this machine because it's gentle, compact, easy to use, even for the beginner. This is best for morning puffiness, tired or tense facial muscles, or if you're just seeking a natural anti-aging skincare, like I do for beginners, and those just preferring that non-invasive natural method. I love it that it depuffs by reducing the inflammation of your lymphatic system. It also increases blood circulation so that you're getting that collagen production that you want for anti-aging. This has been my go-to for years, but this device in particular is new because it has the suction instead of just taking a stone and rubbing it across the skin, or what I used to use are just the little suction cups that you squeeze. And this is going to make it so much easier and so much faster. You're not going to believe it. If you can see my face as you've been watching this video, you can see it, the redness come to the skin. That's not bruising. That's just the production of that good old blood flow that we all want. So the other thing that's really great about this, you can set this device up to actually have two tubes going at the same time. It has a V connection so that you'll be able to tap two tubes and then also using the two glass suction cups. So as you can see here, this is going to speed things up in the morning if you're in a hurry and you need to be out the door, or in the evening and you just want to, it's time to go to bed. So you can use and then follow the same pattern on each side of the face. So as you can see here, I'm running it above my eyebrows. That's the place I like to usually start because to drain the lymphatics above my eyes and then drain it down. As you can see here, I can get those little crow's feet around the eyes. So this is so gentle, even around the eyes. I'm using the smallest tube to go around the eyes. You can use that also around your nose, around your lips, and your marionette lines, wherever that you see an area that you would like to depuff or to create blood flow for anti-aging. This is such a great tool to do this with. It's fast, it's easy, it's safe, and you're going to just love what happens after you've been using this for a while. Yes, this is my natural skin repair without injections or harsh chemicals. And what I love about this is how it works, the structural support, the fascia activation. It has that microsuction for lymphatic drainage, enhanced microcirculation. So it really helps boost the blood flow and the oxygen for really more radiant skin. So this almost 69-year-old skin really loves what I've been able to achieve using this Sci Contour cupping. And I think you'll love it too. And guess what? It also comes with a 60-day return and a 1-year warranty.